Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in Microsoft Access. This is a fundamental skill that allows you to expand your database tables with new fields whenever you need to track additional information. Let's jump right in and get this done. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and load into your database. Once you click on the app, it may take a moment to launch, so be patient while it opens. When the software loads, you'll see your workspace where all your database objects are organized. This is where you'll manage everything related to your data. Once the software has fully loaded along with your data, it's time to add that column. Begin by opening an initial database table. You can do this by double-clicking on the table name in the navigation pane on the left side of your screen. This will open the table in Datasheet view, where you can see all your existing columns and rows of data laid out in a familiar spreadsheet-like format. Now, to add a column, simply right-click on the column header where you want the new field to appear. It's important to note that the new column will be inserted to the left of whichever column you right-click on, so choose your position carefully. When you right-click, a small context menu will appear with several options for managing your table structure. From this menu, click on Insert Field. This action will immediately add a new column to your table. You'll notice that Access automatically gives it a generic name like Field 1 or similar. You can easily rename this column by double-clicking on the header and typing in a more descriptive name that reflects the type of data you plan to store there. Access will also prompt you to select a data type for your new column, such as text, number, date, or currency, depending on what information you need to track. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new column to your Microsoft Access table, expanding your database's capability to store more information. This simple technique is essential for adapting your database as your needs grow and change. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.